Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking this video, and if you're not, thank you for returning. So in this video I just wanted to quickly come on here and show you these nails that I was inspired by Nail Tech on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram page below, but these are really cute nails that I just had to try out, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own nails at home. So let's get started. So if you're not new here, you know I normally like to prep my nails by filing and buffing, but with these I'm going straight in with this orangey, well, pastel-y orange color. I'll link it below. It came in a pack of 6. But yeah, I'm painting these on the thumb, the index and the pinky, and then on the other hand I'm going to switch it up and paint on the pinky, the ring finger and the thumb. Okay, once those are on, I'm going to cure these by themselves. I'm going to leave the other nails blank because I want to do 2 coats on the orange fingers and just 1 single coat on the plain nails. Now on the plain nails I'm using this nudie colour. I'll link below this nail polish set as well. Once those are done, I'm now going to go in with my second coat of the orange and then cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, now for the fun part, we're going to start with the design. It's a very simple design, but it's very effective and cute. So I'm taking a brush and I'm taking this bright-ish pink colour. This also came with the orange in the same set. And as you can see, I am trying to get just the right amount on the brush, not too much and not too little. And it's very simple. I'm just going to drag it down in a swirly, wavy motion. And then I'm doing the same on the other nails. I will say it was easier for me to do the swirls in this direction, but if you notice on the other hand, it was a bit trickier for me to do it in the opposite direction. So just take your time with it, go slow, and you'll be fine. So once that's done, cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go over it again with the same colour, just to make the colour pop a bit more. Okay, so cured that for 60 seconds again, and I think they even look cute just with one line. It's up to your personal preference. But yeah, cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna wipe our brush and move on to our second colour. As always guys, make sure you wipe your brushes thoroughly. I have made the mistake of not wiping it properly and mixing gel colours. You don't want to do that. Moving on to our orange colour, the same orange that we used on the other nails, I'm going to do the same with the pink. Just drag it down in a wavy motion following the line I already created. Okay, so it's starting to take shape and it looks extra cute. I always use the word cute to describe nails, but that's just because they are cute. So yeah, cure that for 60 seconds. Once those are dry, go over the same orange again to make it pop a bit more. Once that's done again, cure it for 60 seconds and we'll move on to our final colour, which is the white. And before that, make sure you clean your brush again or use a separate brush, whatever you prefer. So with the white polish, I actually only did one coat because I thought it popped just fine with just one layer. But yeah, of course you can do 2 coats. Okay, so the nails really have taken shape now. Cure that for 60 seconds and we're going to move on to our top coat. You could do either shine or matte, but I really love the way the matte look, so this is me applying the matte coat. Once that's done, cure it for 60 seconds and we will have the big reveal. Here we are guys, this is the final reveal. They look stunning. As always, I will link below my inspiration, the nail tech from Instagram. I forgot her handle, but I will link it below. But yeah, she makes the cutest designs. In this section, I'm actually just clipping off the edge of the nail because it has those little bumps. Or you could just file them off. Oh, and these nails are in the shape medium coffin. Okay, so they're all clipped and nice and even, and I will also show you the nails on. They look even better on. Do let me know what you think guys, and if you do try them out, please tag me. I would love to see your recreations of this, and also tag the original designer of these. But yeah guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.